Welcome to Jinan Optimus Prime Used Vehicles Company Limited, your one-stop shop for quality used vehicles at unbeatable prices. Jinan Optimus Prime Used Vehicles Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise integrated with second-hand vehicle and machinery trading, both original and modified. We have a wide range of sources and can provide more than 1,000 used vehicles, including all kinds of large-scale, heavy-duty trucks, trailers, and other machineries. The second-hand trucks cover howo, FAW, shacman, and other brands. The semi-trailers comprising heavy-duty cargo semi-trailers, tipper dump trucks, tanker semi-trailers, and other types of trailers. Besides, we provide second-hand automobiles, special-purpose vehicles, and construction machineries, which can be customized according to clients' requirements. At Jinan Optimus Prime Used Vehicles Company Limited, we are committed to providing our customers with the best possible vehicles and machineries buying experience. We have a wide selection of used cars to choose from, all of which have been carefully inspected and reconditioned to meet our high standards. Our knowledgeable and friendly staff is here to help you find the perfect vehicles